Apo.
Huh?
Hey.
Eh?
Doing discipline here.
I'm not the one.
Kata is Amurguita Beru.
No. This soldier love. I'm not the one.
Soldier love, Jisi Chulu. Mukadaro Ari Debano.
No, please, Mdara. Sorry. Sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, comrades and friends, welcome to the week with me, Comrade Fatso. Now this is Zimbabwe and you are always guaranteed fireworks. And this week we have Fadzai Mahere running for MP, Nkosana Moyo running for president, Usain Bolt running races, and Soldier Love running things. Pull up, my selector. But first, the Soldier Love story. Now, only in Zimbabwe can a dancehall star have the balls to interrupt a ZANU-PF rally. So for those of you who don't know, Mugabe was recently having his Meet the Youth rally in Mutare. Soldier Love apparently arrived making noise, as is the way of dancehall artists. So the ZANU-PF comrade on stage didn't like this guy, because you know the youths need to be silent at the rallies. Just know when to say Pamberi and Pasi at the right times. And so the comrade told Soldier Love that he's not a thing. And Soldier Love replies with a diss track called Zhinu, where he's saying, yes, I'm not a thing, I am things. And that's the thing with us Zimbabweans, is we don't like being called a thing, but we like our things. At least I think so. And all our non-Zimbabwean viewers are looking at this going, We're also not sure if Soldier Love was talking about him being a packet of everyone's favorite chips. We'll never know. I mean, this whole thing is about as random as the photo of Joyce Mujuru this week doing a tour of the country. I mean, what, is she on a meet the pool table tour? So ZANU-PF has definitely got the youthies talking ahead of the 2018 elections, but maybe not in the way it originally thought.
Oh, each.
Chino.
Each.
Chino. Zino is. Zazino.
Last week, when the police announced that there would only be 4 roadblocks per province, the whole nation celebrated. Nearly as much as the South African prisoners who got strippers recently. But the celebrations were short-lived, as soon the cunning ZRP found their roadblock dictionary and told us there's a difference between roadblocks and traffic spot checks. So they explained to us in a very technical way, if there's a barrel, it's a roadblock. No barrel, it's a traffic spot check. 3 cops, traffic spot check. 3 cops in a barrel, roadblock. So it's fine. Next time you get to a roadblock, tell the officer, yes, this is a motor vehicle, but when it sees a barrel, it becomes a fucking bicycle. Bloody stupid.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Nemkhaba ke wrong man.
Awuna seat belt. Apa uripa phone.
Yeah. Driving under the influence of WhatsApp.
What is your Zimbabwe dream, comrades? I mean, do you want to be involved in a Zimbabwe that is thriving and firing? Then come along this Saturday to the Citizens Manifesto outreach launch, where citizens are going to be coming together to ask what is our Zimbabwe dream and how do we get there. Thanks for joining us this week. Follow Magama TV on social media. This has been the week. I have been Comrade Fatso. You have been the people. Thank you and Futsek!